Mainly has a roll of ribbon to give to a group of friends. If she gives 0.7 meters of ribbon to each of her friends, she will have 0.4 meters of ribbon left. If she gives 0.8 meters of ribbon to each of her friends, she will be short of 0.3 meters of ribbon. Okay, so what is the length of the ribbon? So this is what we can do. This is what we call excess and shortage concept. All right. Okay. So for me, I usually like to do the units case. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna let what's the length of ribbon be 1 unit. Okay. Okay. So sorry. Not length of ribbon. So we group of friends. Let number of friends be 1 unit. Okay. So scenario one is if she gives, so I will just shift do this. If she gives 0.7 meters of ribbon to each of her friends, she will have 0.4 of ribbon left. So I'm gonna put here as oops, I don't do okay. So this is scenario one. Okay, so if she gives 0.7 meters to each of her friends, she's left with this, right? So that means length of ribbon is equal to 1 unit and then times 0.7 0.7 oops zero point 0.7 and then she will have 0.4 meters of ribbon left. Okay, so that means we plus 0.4. Okay, then this will be 0.7 units plus 0.4. So this is scenario one. Okay, like this over here. Woo, woo. Right, so now let's move to right, scenario 2. Okay, so scenario 2, okay, I'm going to highlight this maybe different. If she gives 0.8 meters to each of her friend, she'll be short of 0.3 of the meter. This one. Okay, so this one will be, I'm gonna put here as scenario 2. Okay, at the same time I'm going to highlight this scenario 2. Oops, and then for this is scenario 1. Okay, so for scenario 2, that means length of ribbon will be 1 unit. Multiply by 0.8, and then she'll be short, so minus 0.3, and that means this will be 0.8 unit minus 0.3. Okay, so from here what we can do is uh, like this. Okay, so from here, what's the thing? Okay, so that means 0, so that means 0.7 u plus 0.4. Okay, and then it's equal to um 0.8 u minus 0.3. Okay, so from here what we can do is we can have this and then plus. So in essence we can, okay, well, I think it's easier like this, 0.7 plus 0.4. Okay, so 0.8 minus 0.7 will be 0.1 unit, and then 0.1 unit minus 0.3, and then plus 0.4. Okay, then 0.1 unit is equal to 0.4, 0.4 plus 0.3. Okay, so this will be 0.7, okay, meters. Okay, so 1 unit is equal to 0.7 times 10. This will be, oops, okay, sorry, 0.007, right? So length of ribbon will be equal to 7 times 0.7 plus 0.4, okay, equal to 4.9 plus 0.4 is equal to 5.3. There you go.